Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will test the microphone on the headphones Philips. So let's get started. I am now speaking at a normal volume. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? I am now speaking softly. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? And now let's see how well the microphone picks up street sounds. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? And now let's check the result. Now speaking at a normal volume, the fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? I am now speaking softly. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? And now let's see how well the microphone picks up street sounds. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? And as you can hear, it's not the best microphone, so I hear myself clearly, but it was not the best. It's not the best sound quality. And it's the same when I spoke softly, and it, I guess, mutes street sounds because I didn't hear fully the sound of like background sound. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.